Welcome to our video on understanding K-1 visa cancellations and future applications. Today, we'll be addressing the intricacies of K-1 visa cancellations and how they may affect your future visa applications. In this video, we will cover several key areas. First, we will look at understanding the old K-1 visa application process. Next, we will talk about the steps needed to cancel the old application. We will then discuss the impact on future visa applications and how to prevent similar outcomes in future relationships. Finally, we will provide an important disclaimer regarding immigration laws and procedures. When you apply for a K-1 visa and the relationship ends before the visa is issued, it's crucial to address the old application. Even if the visa was approved and never used, formally notifying immigration authorities about the changed circumstances is essential. This communication can prevent potential issues in the future and shows your proactive approach to complying with immigration regulations. To cancel the old K-1 visa application, you will need to submit a written request to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. Include your name and alien registration number if available, and attach relevant documentation like the initial approval notice. It's also advisable to consult the USCIS website or an immigration attorney for precise instructions. If the visa was never used, the process should be relatively simple. Here's a quick quiz question for you. What should you do to cancel an old K-1 visa application? A. Submit a verbal request to USCIS. B. Submit a written request with documentation. C. Ignore the old application. D. Consult a travel agent. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is to submit a written request with documentation. This approach ensures that USCIS is formally informed of the change in circumstances, which can help avoid issues in any future visa applications. Failing to address an old K-1 visa application could raise concerns during future visa applications, as immigration officers may question why it was abandoned. By canceling the old application, you demonstrate transparency and a commitment to complying with immigration procedures, which can positively impact the evaluation of future visa applications. It's always best to be upfront with your situation. To avoid similar outcomes in the future, open communication and setting realistic expectations are essential when engaged with someone on a visa. Discuss potential challenges of the visa process and establish a shared understanding of these aspects to help both parties navigate any issues that arise during the process. Let's wrap up today's video. We covered the importance of addressing old K-1 visa applications to prevent future issues. Remember to cancel old applications with a written request to USCIS, demonstrating compliance and transparency. Effective communication with your partner can help prevent future challenges. Thank you for watching. Before taking any steps, it's important to remember that immigration laws and procedures are subject to change. Always consult an immigration attorney or the USCIS website for the most up-to-date information and guidance tailored to your specific situation. Thank you so much for watching our video on K-1 visa cancellations and future applications. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.